Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. Werner's theory of coordination compound. This comes under Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. So far, we have published a number of videos in coordination chemistry. This is about Werner's theory of coordination compound. Alfred Werner, Swiss chemistry. Alfred Werner. He is the father of coordination chemistry. Father of coordination chemistry. Who is the father of coordination chemistry? Alfred Werner is the father of coordination chemistry. And Alfred Werner explained all the behavior of coordination compound. Now straight away we enter into the theory. In a coordination compound, the central metal atom or ion has two types of valencies. One is primary valency. Another one is secondary valency. Not coordination compound has two types of valency, but the central metal atom or ion present in coordination compound has two types of valencies. One is primary valency, another one is secondary valency. The central metal atom or ion satisfy both the valencies. The central metal atom or ion satisfy both the valencies. So remember, there are two valencies for central metal ion. A compound may be given to you and a question may be asked, write the primary and secondary valencies of cobalt 3 plus, copper 2 plus, nickel 2 plus and etc. According to modern terminology, the primary valency is referred as the oxidation state or oxidation number of central metal atom. Primary valency referred as the oxidation state of the central metal atom or ion, and the secondary valency referred coordination number of the central metal atom or ion. Primary valency correspond to oxidation state of central metal ion. Secondary valency correspond to coordination number of central metal ion. And now the next point in Werner theory is very important point. Second point and easy point. The primary valency of a metal ion is positive. Primary valency of the central metal ion is positive, and in most of the cases it is positive or zero in certain cases. in certain cases. In most of the cases, the primary valency of the central metal ion is positive, and in certain cases, the primary valency is 0, and this primary valency is always satisfied by negative ions. You know, in a coordination compound, ions are present outside of the complex. Counter ions are present outside of the complex. The secondary valencies is satisfied by here only negative ion. Secondary valency is satisfied by negative ions called negative ligands, or positive ions, hydrazonium, example of positive ligand, and neutral molecules. Primary valency is always satisfied by negative ion, the negative ion present outside of the coordination complex, and the secondary valency is satisfied by negative ion, positive ion, and neutral molecule. One more important point in the secondary valency is the neutral ion, neutral molecule, negative ion, positive ion, which satisfy secondary valencies are called ligands. You know what is meant by ligands? Ligands are Lewis base. They are electron rich. The molecules, neutral molecules, positive ions, negative ions, which satisfy secondary valencies are called ligands. Ligands are having unshared pair of electron or electrons that is donated to central metal atom or ion. That is donated to central metal atom or ion. Thereby, a coordination compound is formed. We know ligands are Lewis base. According to Lewis, a base is one which donate a pair of electron to Lewis acid. Because of central metal atom or ion is positively charged, they act as Lewis acid. They accept a electron pair from the donor. And according to Werner, there are two spheres of attraction. Where the two spheres are present around the central metal atom or ion. Around the central metal atom or ion. Central metal atom or ion. There are two spheres. One sphere is called inner sphere. One sphere is called inner sphere. One sphere is called inner sphere. Inner sphere. It is also called coordination sphere. Coordination sphere. It is also called coordination sphere. One sphere is called inner sphere. It is also called coordination sphere. In this sphere, the grooves are atoms. Grooves are atoms are family attached to, that means strongly attached to central metal atom or ion, central metal atom or ion. And one is inner sphere, another one is outer sphere. Outer sphere. One is inner sphere, another one is outer sphere. Here, the inner sphere is also called coordination sphere. Outer sphere are also called ionization sphere. Ionization sphere. There are two spheres of attraction. One is inner sphere, another one is outer sphere. Outer sphere are also called ionization sphere. Here, the grooves present, the grooves are loosely bound to. Here, family bound to, loosely bound to the central metal atom or ion. Central metal ion. Because of it is loosely bound, it can be separated into ions. The grooves which are present in the outer sphere is loosely bound to the central metal ion, therefore, they can be separated into ions upon dissolving in the complex. Now, come to the next point. The primary valency, next point, the primary valency is, we know it is satisfied by which ion? Negative ion. The primary valency is non-directional in nature. Primary valency is non-directional in nature. But the secondary valency, which are satisfied by ligand, is directional in nature. It present in a particular direction only. Directional in nature. Directional in nature. The geometry of the complexes. The geometry of the complexes is determined from the spatial arrangement of ligands. Spatial arrangement of ligands. Depending upon the secondary valency, we can easily tell the geometry. How? Now I write the heading secondary valency correspond to coordination number. Secondary valency. Here geometry. Secondary valency correspond to coordination number if the secondary valency of the central metal ion is 2, 4, simply 2, 4, 6. 3 we know trigonal planar, 5 trigonal bipyramidal. Now important 2, 4, 6. If the secondary valency is 2, the geometry is linear. Geometry is linear. If the secondary valency is 4, according to Werner, the geometry is tetrahedral or square planar. Tetrahedral or square planar. Square planar. If the secondary valency coordination number 6 means it is octahedral. It is octahedral. So primary valency non-directional in nature, secondary valency directional in nature. The geometry of the complex is determined from the spatial arrangement of ligand. Secondary valency 2 means linear, 4 tetrahedral or square planar, and 6 octahedral. Now we are going to apply Werner theory to only one complex. Now I am going to draw the inner sphere and outer sphere for one complex compound. For the complex CONH3 6 times Cl3. Cobalt at the center. These are the secondary valency. Coordination number 6 means what is the geometry? Octahedral geometry. In octahedral, where the ligands are present, 1, 2, 3, square, 4, 5, 6. In this position, amine NH3 ligands are present only in this position. 1 NH3, another NH3, third amine, fourth amine. Nitrogen is the donor atom, NH3. All these 6 ligands are family attached to the central metal ion, that means strongly attached to the central metal ion. See the bond, a strong bond. And this sphere is called the inner sphere. Around this outer sphere is present. This is your outer sphere. Around this outer sphere is present, in which the 3 Cl minus ion are loosely attached. 1 Cl minus, that Cl minus indicated by a dashed line. That dashed line indicates that the 3 Cl minus ion are loosely attached to central metal ion. 1 Cl, outer sphere, another Cl, and third Cl. This is called, first sphere is called inner sphere. This is called inner sphere. Inner sphere. And this sphere is called outer sphere. This sphere is called outer sphere. Primary valency is correspond to oxidation state of central metal ion. Cobalt oxidation state is 3+. Secondary valency correspond to coordination number. For cobalt, primary valency is 3+ or 3, secondary valency is 6. Primary valency always satisfied by negative ion. Secondary valency is satisfied by negative ion, neutral molecule, or positive ion. I will explain the Werner theory by giving The examples of coordination compound. For example, consider this coordination compound. Cobalt 3 plus ion, oxidation state 3 plus, octahedral coordination number 6 and Cl3. One more complexes, Cr 3 plus, H2O neutral ligand 5 times Cl coordination number 6 Cl2, or K4 Fe 2 plus Cn6. Now come to the Werner's theory. According to Werner's theory, the central metal atom or ion exhibit two types of valencies. One is primary valency, another one is secondary valency. Primary valency correspond to oxidation state of central metal ion. Primary valency correspond to oxidation state of the central metal ion. Primary valency of cobalt 3, chromium 3, iron 2. The secondary valency correspond to coordination number of the central metal ion. Secondary valency of cobalt is 6, secondary valency of chromium 5 plus 1 equal to 6, secondary valency of iron is 6. Secondary valency may be 2, 4, 6 or 5, etc. etc. In this complex, Cu, copper 2 plus, NH3 4 times, secondary valency equal to 4. In this complex, Au plus, aqua twice, there 1 plus. Secondary valency correspond to coordination number 2, 4, 6. Primary valency correspond to oxidation number. The primary valency 3 plus always satisfied by negative ion, but the secondary valency coordination number is satisfied by neutral molecule, negative ion or combination of both. The secondary valencies are satisfied by neutral molecule or negative ion or the combination of two. These primary valencies are non-directional in nature, but the molecules which satisfy secondary valency are called directional in nature. The geometry of the complex is determined by the spatial arrangement of the ligand. Coordination number 2 means linear. Coordination number 4 means tetrahedral or square planar. Coordination number 6 means octahedral complexes. Now we are going to apply the Werner theory, primary and secondary valency for these complexes by changing number of ligand. Now, so according to Werner theory, we are going to write here number of complexes for that secondary valency, ionizable ion and number of moles of AgCl formed are all we are going to write here. First complex, cobalt 3 plus ion. In all these complexes, cobalt is in 3 plus ion. Amine NH3, how many times is 6 times. 3 Cl minus ions are present in the outside of the complex. So, group satisfy the secondary valency, coordination number, ligand. How many ligand? 6 amine satisfy secondary valency. And number of ionizable Cl minus ion, the ions which are present outside of the complex. The ions which are present outside of the complex. These are ionizable ion. These are ionizable ion. How many Cl minus ions are present in the outside of the complex? 3 Cl minus ion. So this ionizable ion undergo reaction with AgNO3 and gives 3 moles of Curdy white precipitate of silver chloride. From the formation of number of AgCl, from the formation of number of moles of AgCl, we can say the number of Cl minus ion present outside of the complex. Now, the complex is CO3 plus same, but amine NH3 5 times 1 Cl. Another 2 Cl are present outside of the complex. Now, we know the secondary valencies are satisfied by ligand. We have 5 amine act as ligand and 1 Cl minus act as a ligand. 1 neutral ligand and 1 negative ligand. Primary ionizable Cl minus ion. The number of Cl minus ion present outside of the complex is 2 Cl. When this complex is treated with silver nitrate solution, because of 2 Cl minus ion, 2 Curdy white precipitate of AgCl are formed. Now, write one more complexes with the same molecular formula. Cobalt CO3 plus ion, instead of NH3 5, NH3 4 Cl2 1 Cl outside of the complex. How many ligands satisfy secondary valency? 4 amine NH3 and 2 Cl minus satisfy secondary valency. The ionizable chloride ion is only 1 Cl minus. Because of the presence of 1 Cl minus, 1 molecule of AgCl is formed when treated with the silver nitrate solution. Now, I am going to write the chemical reaction between the complex and the silver nitrate. Listen carefully. Only the ionizable ion undergo reaction with the AgNO3. Ionizable ion undergo reaction with the AgNO3. Take the first complex CO. First complex CO3 plus ion, amine NH3, hexaamine, cobalt 3 chloride. Outside of the complex, 3 chlorine are present as ionizable ion. Only ionizable ion undergo reaction. When treated with silver nitrate solution, gives silver nitrate undergo ionization, gives Ag plus and NO3 minus. Complex charge on the complex 3 plus, chlorine is minus 1. We know minus, this plus combine with the minus and this minus combine with this plus. What are the product are formed on the right hand side? How many moles of AgCl? Because of the 3 chlorine atom, 3 moles of AgCl are formed. 3Ag, 3Ag. NO3 minus is added to the complex plus instead of Cl. So, what is our complex? I write here the complex. Cobalt CO, NH3 6 times instead of Cl3, NO3 thrice. NO3 thrice. What is the name of the complex? Hexaamine cobalt 3 nitrate. Take the second complex. We have 2 ionizable Cl minus ion. So, cobalt 3 plus primary valency oxidation state, NH3 5 times Cl, outside of the complex Cl2. We have how many ionizable chlorine? C2. So, when treated with silver nitrate solution, these 2 Cl minus ion combine with the plus. The Ag plus undergo ionization AgNO3 undergo ionization gives Ag plus and NO3 minus. Complex 3 plus minus 1 2 plus chlorine minus 1. As usual, Ag plus combined with the Cl minus and this minus is added to complex plus. What are the product are formed? How many moles of AgCl? Due to the presence of 2 chlorine, 2 AgCl, curdy white precipitate is formed. Curdy white precipitate is formed. NO3 is added to the complex ion. I write the complex here. CO3 plus NH3 5 times Cl. How many NO3? Instead of 2 chlorine atom, NO3 twice. NO3 twice. Take the last complex. What is the complex? Only one chlorine present outside of the complex. CO, cobalt 3 plus ion, cobalt 3 plus CO 3 plus. NH3 4 times Cl2. வெளியே ஒரு Cl இருக்கு. வெளியே ஒரு Cl plus. When treated with AgNO3 gives, as usual, silver nitrate undergo ionization gives Ag plus NO3 minus. Complex plus 1 because chlorine minus 1. The Ag plus combined with the Cl minus form AgCl. NO3 minus combined with the complex plus. So what are the product are formed? 1 mole of AgCl is formed. 1 mole of AgCl as precipitate plus NO3 minus is added to complex. The complex is CO NH3 4 times Cl2. Outside of the complex 1 NO3. What is the name of the complex? Tetraamine dichlorido cobalt 3 nitrate. Tetraamine dichlorido cobalt 3 nitrate. This is about Werner's theory of coordination compound. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.